Hi everyone, I'm Sarah Schweiger, and in this video, I'll walk you through how to get started in Figma. I'll cover how to create and import Figma files, edit frames for different screen sizes, use the text tool efficiently, and add photography with masks in your persona. For this assignment, you'll need to import your file. Simply double-clicking or right-clicking on the file will not open the file because your computer will not know what software to open it up in. So let's get started. Before using Figma, make sure you've already created a Figma account. If you haven't done that, please watch the previous video for step-by-step instructions. Here's a pro tip. For the best experience, use Google Chrome to open Figma. Once you're in the browser, visit www.figma.com. Sign in using your school email and then password you created. After logging in, you'll land on your Figma dashboard. This video will cover the essentials, but I encourage you to explore other features on your own or look them up on YouTube. Setting up fonts. Before we design, let's enable local fonts. Figma uses Google Fonts by default, but if you want access to fonts installed on your computer, you'll need to install Figma Font Helper. Here's how. First, go to Settings, scroll down to Fonts, and click Download Installer. Next, open your Downloads folder, double-click to install. Once installed, restart Figma to apply the changes. After restarting, check to see if it says Local Fonts Enabled. Be sure to take a screenshot of this part of your project. Next, creating a new file. Back on your dashboard, click New Design File. Figma saves your work automatically, but don't forget to rename your file. Click the drop-down in the top center and rename it using this format: last name _ first name. Understanding frames or artboards. Select the frame tool from the toolbar. On the right panel, you'll see options for common screen sizes. Open these up and look at the different screen sizes, everything from mobile to tablet, to desktop and presentation, etc. These frames act like artboards, similar to those created in Adobe Illustrator. Feel free to pause this video and add a few frames that suit your project. When you're ready, hit play to continue. Importing a template file. Now let's import the persona templates. First, download the persona Figma file templates.fig from your LMS. Store it in a dedicated folder on your hard drive, not on your desktop and not in your downloads folder. In Figma, click Import File. Navigate to your saved Fig file and open it. Once loaded, you'll see the pre-made personas.